Alright, so here's the box. This is from Kemimoto. This is the door inserts again. This is a 2022 Can-Am. They pretty much haven't changed. Here's the sheet. Pretty simple instructions. Alright. You don't need much. I mean, if you can't figure this out, then you probably shouldn't have a side-by-side. Alright, everything's pretty much how it's going to go on the machine. So if you just reverse that, take them off, position them. Alright, you can see, if you look at them, they're just the same thing as Can-Am has. So they're just like a third of the money. So, like I said, look around. I want to thank Kemimoto. They sponsored some parts in the past and helped the channel out, and hopefully we can do some more with them and review some more stuff. Alright, step one. You're going to take these two out right here. They're Torx. I'm not sure Kemimoto used Torx. I think they just used... Actually, they use like Allen heads, which is a little easier. Everybody uses a different thing. So these little door inserts, they're going to be removed. Alright, so on the door panels, you got 3 of these right here. You can just leave this whole thing together. You don't have to take it apart. So you're going to have 2 long ones, and the one right here, it's a shorter one. Make sure you use that one for the one near the hinges of the door. Alright, so this is metric. Alright, this is not a Torx like Can-Am uses. It's just like an Allen head. Pretty self-explanatory. They're actually quality, and like I said, Can-Am wanted $400 and something plus. Kemimoto $139. If you look around, Kemimoto has stores on Amazon, and they also have a store on eBay, which I found a lot of their stuff. Again, I want to thank Kemimoto for creating a X3 quality product that is more than half less than Can-Am's for us owners, so we don't have to go broke after we spend $1 million on the machine. And alright, that's it. And we got some more stuff to put on the machine, and just keep in tune with the channel and follow us and like and subscribe. So here we go. We got some finished pictures. Alright, so it's exactly the same fit and finish as Can-Am's. Alright, they come with rubber seals right here on the edge of the doors. Alright, to lock out the dust. It's on there. There you go. So your 2 long ones, and there you go with your short one. Alright, this all stays together. You don't have to take it apart to put this thing together. You just bolt it through, drop them through. The holes are already there. You just have to take out your little piece that Can-Am gives you. And I don't know what it does, but it doesn't do much. Alright, so hope that explains to you how to put it on. It's real simple. They look awesome. I can't wait to use them and try them out. See how much dirt and dust they keep out. Because inside's so pretty, I don't know if I want to get it dirty. Alright, so comment if you have any comments. Again, I'd like to thank Kemimoto. They sponsored us with some parts before. We'd like to keep doing stuff with them, and we thank them very much.